Hi, it's Craig from Avan Adelaide. Today I'm featuring the 2005 Forest River WILDCAT fifth wheeler. It's a 34 foot, it's a bit of luxury. It comes with a 3 kVA Honda generator, ample storage, there's plenty of storage on this, gas, electric, hot water service. Come on board. It's got underfloor gas heating, it's got 2 batteries, solar and battery monitoring system. It's got twin rocking recliners. It's got a sofa bed and a cafe dining. It's got an ample kitchen with cupboards everywhere. Gas cooktop and griller oven. It's got a massive fridge freezer. Has flat screen TV and, as you can hear, surround sound system. Come up and I'll show you the rest. It's got a huge wardrobe, lots of drawers. It's got an island bed. Also didn't mention the satellite television as well. Wardrobes everywhere. It's got a separate toilet, big shower, and it's got your own vanity as well. This is the Forest River WILDCAT 34 foot twin slide out fifth wheeler. It's only $69,990, available at Avan Adelaide.